10W powerful sound. Experience bold sounds and rich bass even against noisy backgrounds from the outdoor speaker's 5W dual speakers and passive bass radiator. The best wireless speaker for sports enthusiasts. Cycle, hike or even sail to your own distraction-free soundtrack with an IPX4 splash-proof, shock-proof rubber exterior, bike mount, belt, and snap hook design. 3 playing modes. Enjoy your favorite music in the way that suits you with this versatile, portable speaker by choosing wireless, microSD, TF card or aux line. Near-field communication, NFC. Start listening to music on the move straight away by connecting this NFC speaker with your NFC-enabled mobile phone easily with just one tap. 24 month ongoing support. Feel confident in your purchase with the 24-month. You are also welcome to get in touch with our email support team if you have any questions about your purchase. Top reviews from the United States. I've been using Bluetooth speakers for years, and this is hands down the best purchase yet. Sound quality is superior to other speakers I have used, and the mounting system puts them over the top for me. In the past I have always had them in my Camelback, which was often too far away on descents where the wind would block out the noise. Having it on the bike not only allows it to be closer, cutting out the white noise of the wind, but also lets me play it lower, being less annoying to other riders on the trail. I would highly recommend this speaker to anyone looking to bring tunes with them on the trail with them.